Magnesium is one of the most essential minerals for life, yet it's often overlooked. As the second most abundant, positively charged ion in our cells, magnesium is involved in over 18,000 functions in the human body. It's absolutely critical for producing and using energy during cell metabolism. Without enough magnesium, many biological processes simply wouldn't happen. From supporting our nervous system to keeping our hearts healthy, magnesium is at the core of our well-being. In this video, we'll explore why magnesium is so vital, how deficiency happens, and what you can do to restore balance. Magnesium does much more than you might think. It helps produce and transport energy, synthesizes protein, transmits nerve signals, and relaxes muscles. About 65% of the body's magnesium is stored in bones and teeth, playing a key role in their health. The rest is found in muscles, tissues, and fluids, with the highest concentrations in the heart and brain. This distribution highlights magnesium's importance for cardiovascular and neurological health. Without it, our bodies would struggle to function, and many vital processes would come to a halt. Shockingly, up to 80% of people may have low magnesium levels, and most don't even know it. According to experts, every known illness is associated with magnesium deficiency. It's essential for cellular health and is a critical component in over 300 biochemical functions. Yet, because only 1% of magnesium is found in the bloodstream, standard blood tests often miss deficiencies. This means you could be lacking magnesium without any obvious warning from routine checkups. Magnesium deficiency can show up in many ways. Common symptoms include tension in the shoulders and neck, muscle cramps or twitches, tiredness, restlessness, sleep disorders, anxiety, migraines, palpitations, menstrual issues, irritability, cold hands and feet, and tingling or cramping in the extremities. Because magnesium is involved in so many processes, symptoms can be subtle or severe, ranging from muscle aches and insomnia to high blood pressure and digestive problems. Magnesium deficiency is more common than many realize, and several factors contribute. High intake of refined sugars and processed foods, chronic stress, diuretics, caffeine, alcohol, and certain medications all deplete magnesium. Even digestive diseases like leaky gut can reduce absorption. As we age, our ability to absorb minerals decreases, making deficiency even more likely. Modern farming practices have also reduced magnesium content in our food, so even a healthy diet may not provide enough. Our modern diet is a major culprit in magnesium deficiency. Foods high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, like breads, pastas, and baked goods, require magnesium to process but provide none in return. This forces your body to pull magnesium from its own stores, increasing the risk of deficiency. Even if you eat a balanced diet, soil depletion and food processing mean you're likely getting less magnesium than previous generations. Chronic diseases and medication use are at an all-time high, and both are linked to magnesium deficiency. Medications can damage the gut, reducing absorption, while chronic stress and illness increase the body's need for magnesium. People with diabetes, digestive issues, or alcohol dependence are especially at risk. The symptoms can range from muscle pain and fatigue to more serious conditions like high blood pressure, osteoporosis, and heart problems. Leg cramps are a common and painful sign of magnesium deficiency. Up to 70% of adults experience them regularly. Magnesium is crucial for neuromuscular signals and muscle contraction, so when levels are low, muscles can spasm and cramp. Even eyelid twitches or restless legs can be a sign. Increasing magnesium and potassium intake can help, and many healthcare professionals now recommend magnesium supplements for relief. Magnesium deficiency is often behind sleep disorders, anxiety, and even depression. Magnesium is vital for GABA function, a neurotransmitter that calms the brain and promotes relaxation. Low magnesium can lead to irritability, nervousness, and insomnia. Many people find that supplementing with magnesium improves their sleep and mood, helping them feel more relaxed and balanced. Magnesium works with calcium to regulate blood pressure and protect the heart. Deficiency often leads to hypertension, and studies show that diets high in magnesium can reduce stroke risk. Type II diabetes is both a cause and a symptom of magnesium deficiency. Research shows that supplementing with magnesium can lower the risk of developing diabetes and help manage blood sugar levels. Half of the body's magnesium is stored in the bones, making it essential for bone strength and density. Deficiency can speed up bone loss and increase the risk of osteoporosis, especially in the elderly. Studies show that magnesium supplementation can slow bone loss and improve bone health. Pairing magnesium with vitamin D3 and K2 further supports strong bones and overall wellness. Modern farming practices, soil depletion, and food processing have drastically reduced the magnesium content in our food. Even organic produce contains less magnesium than it did decades ago. Studies show significant drops in mineral content in fruits and vegetables over the past 60 years. This means that even a healthy diet may not provide enough magnesium, making supplementation more important than ever. There are many forms of magnesium supplements, but not all are equally effective. Some, like magnesium glycinate, citrate, and glucamate, can cause diarrhea. Magnesium oxide is poorly absorbed, while magnesium chloride is highly absorbable and gentle on the stomach. Whole food concentrates and topical magnesium products, like Mag-nificence CWR, are excellent options, especially for those with digestive issues. Always start with a lower dose and increase gradually to avoid side effects. One of the most effective ways to boost magnesium is through the skin. Mag-nificence CWR uses magnesium chloride, which is easily absorbed and can be added to baths or applied directly to the skin. This method is especially helpful for those with digestive issues or increased stress. Users report improved muscle relaxation, reduced cramps, and better sleep. It's a simple, multitasking solution for busy lives. Many people have experienced dramatic improvements by addressing magnesium deficiency. From athletes conquering marathons without cramps to individuals overcoming restless legs and chronic pain, the benefits are clear. Consistent use of magnesium supplements or topical products can restore balance, improve energy, and support overall health. Remember, everyone's needs are different, so finding the right form and dosage is key. Magnesium is a vital mineral that supports nearly every system in the body. Deficiency is widespread due to modern diets, stress, and environmental factors. Symptoms can range from mild to severe, but the good news is that restoring magnesium levels can make a big difference in how you feel. Consider your diet, lifestyle, and possible need for supplementation. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before making changes. Your body will thank you for giving it the magnesium it needs.
Welcome. Today I'll show you exactly how to join Beautique and make your first purchase. I'll guide you through every step, from choosing your account type to completing your order. Start by opening the main menu to explore our mission and the products section. You can join as a customer for rewards or as a member to start your own business. The sign-up form is straightforward. Just enter your contact details and shipping information. Members will also provide a few extra details to set up their independent distributorship. Once registered, browse our full catalog and select the high-quality products you'd like to try. Once logged in, simply find your favorite products, add them to your cart, and click Checkout Now to complete your order. You're now ready to start your journey with Beautique. We're excited to have you with us.